Baccarat, blue crystal vase with waders, circa 1880. Founded under Louis XV, the French crystal manufacturer Baccarat demonstrated its excellence at the Universal exhibitions throughout the 19th century. This baluster-shaped vase features wheel-engraved and gilded decoration on steel blue crystal. The Japanese-style decoration features two pairs of stilt walkers, whose varied positions bring the surrounding waterscape to life. The gilded bronze mount repeats the cherry blossom branch motifs on the body. The influence of Japanese prints is perceptible in the theme, as well as in the way the space is constructed and the landscape and animals are depicted. The decoration on this vase was used several times in the manufacturer's creations, and applied to different supports. The Marc Maison gallery has a pair of opaline glass vases with an identical design. The Clair de Lune vases created by Baccarat on the model of Eugène Rousseau feature the same principle of blue crystal vases with Japanese decoration and a very similar frame.